Hello you chess lovers. In this video we are going to cover up a crazy chess opening which is going to help you improve your openings and also checkmate your opponent if he plays the Italian game. And this is how it starts. So white plays pawn to e4, black responds with pawn to e5, and then white develops the knight to f3, threatening the pawn at e5, and then you just support it with your knight. Now white usually would prefer to get his pieces developed, so he would move his bishop to this c4 square and threaten controlling this pawn on this f7 square. But then you play this crazy move, and that's the Italian Blackburne Shilling Gambit right there. If white knows about this gambit, he would take your knight and then you just attack it through the pawn, something like this. But in case if white is unaware, he will go for this free pawn and capture. Once this is done, this is where you have the complete control. You can just push your queen to this g5 square, attack the knight and also the g2 pawn. Now white feels that you are a dummy, and he feels that you can now attack your queen and also your rook, and he goes for it. Now his knight is supported with the bishop, and it doesn't look like a very good situation for black. But you have the stunning move, that is queen takes the g2 pawn, attacking his rook and also the pawn at e4. Now he feels that he needs to go ahead and protect his rook and then attack the black rook. So what he does is he moves his rook to a safe square, and now he plans to go ahead and attack the rook. But you have the stunning move, that is queen captures e4, attack, check. Now he cannot move his queen to the square, that's e2. The only good option that he has is to get the bishop back on this square and defend. But he has not calculated this properly, because once you move your knight to this f3 square, it's a brilliant checkmate in 7 moves. Hope you have liked this video. We post a lot of such videos. Do subscribe to our channel to improve your elo. Thank you.